I remember that when my father and I came back from Moldova to Romania, this is when we went from Bucharest. We took a plane to Kishinev, spent a few days there, and then took this overnight train down into Iași in northern Romania. And that's where the only kosher restaurant in Romania is now. It's also the town where Avram Goldfaden, the father of Yiddish theater, is from. And so we got off the train and we went to this place, which is this kosher restaurant, which it turns out I don't think it was open or something. We didn't, or maybe it was like only open for lunch and we got there too late. But my father was able to speak with some of the older guys hanging around outside there in Yiddish. And I was really impressed and really envious of this. Because in some ways I had been his Jewish ambassador on this trip when we had to connect with these Hasidic folks that kind of colonized the Jewish community in Romania. And it was like I could be the person to talk with them more. But for these older guys, my father was able, and you feel an immediate connection. There is something that's very, that is extraordinary about being able to, have this kind of linguistic passport and to feel that immediate closeness, or it's something that's going to get people to open themselves up to you, or, people that may not necessarily be that trusting or have reason to trust people. All of a sudden, there is this ease of communication. And ease of communication, yes and no, because my father's Yiddish is not that great. It was his first language, but he's never studied it as a language. And so his grammar is poor, his vocabulary is poor. He speaks, it's called like kitchen Yiddish. But I was still that was something that left a deep impression on me.